Samson dryer. This is already burning. Customer complaint. Dryer's making a very loud noise when spinning. One of the rollers bearing is melted. Judging by all the shavings, they've been letting this go for a very long time. And because of that, it destroyed their felt seal. And the felt seal, because of the rust, started dirtying their clothing. And this is how they figured out that they finally need service. We'll be replacing both of the felt seals today. Already have a new one, and we have a new roller. We're going to vacuum the unit. We're going to lubricate all the moving components.